How to pay with cash on DoorDash. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I show you how to pay with cash when using the DoorDash app in 2024. If you prefer cash over electronic payments, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, launch the DoorDash app on your device. If you don't have it installed yet, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store to create an account and log in. Once you're logged in, enter your delivery address. This is essential as DoorDash will show you the restaurants available in your area. Make sure to tap Save after entering your address. Next, browse through the list of restaurants. When you find something you want, tap on it to view the menu, select your items, and click Add to Order. After adding all your items, tap on the shopping cart icon to review your order. If everything looks good, tap Checkout. And here you'll be prompted to select your payment method. Look for the cash payment option. If it's available in your area, select it. Note that not all locations support cash payments, so make sure to confirm that it's an option for your order. Once you've selected cash as your payment method, confirm your order by tapping Place Order. You'll receive a notification about the estimated delivery time and you can track your order in real time. Have your cash ready for the delivery driver when they arrive. It's a good idea to prepare the exact amount to make the transaction smooth. And that's how you pay with cash on DoorDash. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.